Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you can join us. Well, as you can see, we are starting a new segment and it is called Miss Planet's Planner of the Week. And that's just where I send a big thank you out to one of our community members for just being inspirational. So our very first Planner of the Week is Cheryl Palma. And I want to thank Cheryl because she gave me the idea for this week's $3 vase. It's an awesome idea. I did not think of it myself. She thought of it, so I'm going to share it with everyone. And because of Cheryl, she took a $25 vase that we purchased and turned it into a $3 beautiful option. So, Cheryl Palma, we just want to say a big Miss Planet thank you. Well, this week we got a request from one of our community members, and her name is Miriam. And Miriam writes us, "Good afternoon, Miss Planet." Good afternoon, Miriam. I just saw your video on YouTube with the purple passion centerpiece. Oh, that's one of our favorites. And it was so beautiful. Thanks, Miriam. When I saw it, I knew you'd be the perfect person to ask for help. That's what we're here for. I am getting married next year, and two of my primary colors are royal purple and vibrant orange, with some other autumn colors mixed in. Would you help me replicate the centerpiece attached? Thank you in advance, Miriam. Well, Miriam, not only did we replicate it, but we did it for a fraction of the cost. Thanks to our planner of the week, Cheryl. And I cannot wait to share with everyone this tall fall festive centerpiece with a $3 vase. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, so let's put together this $3 vase. We're going to use two 8-inch Vase glasses. I hope I pronounced that right. If I didn't, please forgive me. And a small fishbowl with a rim. It must have a rim. We're going to go ahead and put a generous amount of E6000 on the bottom of one of our glasses. And then we're going to place the bottom of the fishbowl right on top. Give it at least an hour to 2 hours to set up before adding the top glass. When you do that, you're going to put your E6000 right on the rim. E6000 is thick, so it'll stick right on the rim. It shouldn't drip too much. And then you're going to place the top glass. Again, make sure your bottom is completely dry about 2 hours before you place the top. So on the right side, we have our $25 vase. And on the left side, we have our $3 vase. You decide which one you would prefer. The only difference is the cost and 4 inches in height. Now it's time to add our 6-inch foam ball to the rim of our vase with some hot glue. And next, we're going to attach some 24 gauge floral wire cut in half to about 6 inches or so and made into a hook on the end to our foam ball. This is what we're going to hang our gem garland from. So just take your time, attach it, make sure you have that hook at the end, and it will be ready to attach those gem garlands. Well, Miriam, what do you think? It is absolutely stunning. I'm so excited about how it came out and even more excited about how it's going to look on your wonderful day. I want to thank Cheryl for her awesome idea of creating this vase out of $3. It was just mind blowing. I think it's a small miracle, seriously. So excited about it, so excited about this project, and thank you so much, Miriam, for allowing us to be a part of your special day. If you like this video, by all means go ahead and like us, send us a comment, a question. That's what we're here for, to help you. If you'd like to submit a project request, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, and click on the project request tab and follow the very simple steps. Subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. And feel free to follow us on all of our social media, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. Don't forget, a free extended bonus clip from this project is ready for you. Just click on that little icon in the corner and it'll take you right to our website and you can watch the free bonus clip. We are so excited that you allow us to be as part of every week with you. We know you have so many options and so many choices. Don't forget, the links to the supplies as well as the project costs are in the description right below this video. Just click on that upside down triangle or arrow, however you see it, and it will give you all the information right there at your fingertips, as well as links to our website, links to the Ebates rebate fund, which allows you to shop and make money while you're shopping, in addition to the link to our newsletter, and now our new link if you would like to be an exclusive member of our Patreon Emeralds Club. So all of those links are right there in the description. We just thank you again for spending this time with us because we know you have so many options. So until next week, guys, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.